Hey, it's Harvey Braden with Harvey Roofing and Construction. We're pouring concrete at our project out here that we had the form set, did a prior video on. Just wanted to do a quick walk around. We're still have trucks pouring, and flip that camera. So we've got the back is in, starting to finishing work on it. So we've got the nice ramp, the step here, got a little radius on the corner, gives it a nice finishing touch. So we're just starting to work across trowel and that. We're going to have some structured joints in it. That's really important with concrete. The only rule of thumb with concrete is that it wants to crack while it's curing. Shrinkage is real in concrete. So we're going to have every 10 feet here, there'll be a joint that's worked into it. And what that does is it lets the concrete want to gravitate down into that joint if it does have any little hairline cracks. And that helps ensure that we don't have that on the surface. So those will be, after everything is troweled out, we'll have the joints that'll go into it, and then we'll do the finish and touch with the broom finish. And I just was talking to my guy Jeremy from Elite Concrete. He said that he's really got to love this ready mix company, SRM. He said, I asked him, I said, is it just the mix? He said, yeah, their mix is always great, but he said they're on time too to our pours. So I thought that was pretty funny. You have to, low bar of competition in the concrete world is just having showing up on time. But we're just getting ready to pour the front here. It'll be the same thing. We'll have the structure joints. This one's gonna have two. It's only 26 feet, but we're gonna go 8 feet 8 inches on those structure joints. That way we've got plenty of relief for that if it does try to have any hairlines, they'll find their way into that. We got our radiuses in here too. Those are gonna have, this front step's gonna have some curvature to it. So it's gonna be nice. These guys are awesome. They really are the most professional concrete crew I've ever seen. Shout out to Jeremy, Elite Concrete. They stay so busy that he doesn't even want to leave Johnson County. So that's the only thing I have to work around is this is my go-to whenever a job site that he's willing to travel to. So we'll have this wrapped up today, getting started on some other components of working on the house today as well. And we'll keep posting the progress as we make it out here. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a wonderful day. Harvey Roofing and Construction.